Hello everyone, how are you? Today together we will solve the worksheet for the final revision. Here is we will start talking about the perimeter and the area, finding the perimeter and the area for the polygons. Then we will go directly to the angles and the polygons and the quadrilaterals. Now let's start and remember together how we find the perimeter and the area for any polygon. Can you remember that the area and the perimeter, start with the perimeter. The perimeter is it's finding the length of outside, but the area is finding inside. So perimeter, how I distinguish between perimeter and area. Perimeter is adding, but the area is multiplying. For example, if I want to write plus, yes, a minute, okay. If I want to add plus, this is for perimeter. I can find this is P here. So to remind you that the perimeter is adding. If I want to write multiply, yes, I can see that the A is down, so it's the area. So perimeter is adding, area is multiplying. Perimeter is adding, area is multiplying. The unit for perimeter is only unit, like centimeter, meter, yard, feet, but the area is a square unit. For example, square centimeter, square meter, square yard. So you have to know when you find P, add. When you have A, multiply. Let's remember the formula for each one. Yes, the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle is double of length, yes, plus double of W. You remember the rectangle, as you can see here, I have length and here is the width. So to find the perimeter for a rectangle is doubling 2L plus 2W. If I have a square, the perimeter for the square is, yes, all the sides of the squares are the same, so is 4 multiplying by the side by L. So this is make it easy for you to find the perimeter for the square and the perimeter for the rectangle. Now let's see the area. The formula for area for the rectangle is L times W. So multiply length times width, you have the area. Let's start now solving the revision sheet together. The first question is find the perimeter for the polygons. Okay. Find the perimeter. Here if I have the rectangle, triangle, I have 4, 4, 4. So all the sides are the same. Instead of adding 4 plus 4 plus 4, I can say it's 4 multiply 3. Yes, 4 to multiply 3 equals what? Perfect. It equals 12. Now here is I have to add all the sides for the trapezoid. Here is I have 2, 4, 4, 5. Let's find the friendly number, easy to add. Here is we have double, 4 and 4, 8. Let's make 10. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 5, perfect. It's 15 centimeter. Here it is, number 3. Here is a pentagon. I have to find a friendly number. Here is I have 2 and 2. Double of 2 is 4. 5 and 5. Double of 5 is 10. 4 and 10 is 14. 14 plus 3, it will be 7 centimeter. Next question. The perimeter of each figure is 48. So we know already the perimeter. Find the missing measurements. When you know the perimeter, I call the formula. You remember this is a rectangle and the formula for the rectangle is P equals 2L plus or double L plus double W. Here is I have 15, for sure here is 15. Because the opposite sides of the rectangle are the same. So I have to know the unknown. Let's remember together the formula. P for the rectangle is double of length plus double W. What is length? Length means this one. What is W? W means the width this side. Yes. What the double of 15? Add a number if you want to find the double is mean by adding 15 and 15. Yes, perfect. It's 30. 30 plus double W. And we have here already the perimeter is 48. Yes. So with the number, if I add it to 30, it will be 48. Perfect. It's 18. So it's by subtracting 40. 8 minus 30. 8 minus 0, it will be 8. And 4 minus 3, it will be 1. Yes. 4 here. I don't have rectangle, so the formula is adding all the length. Perimeter is adding 12 plus 20 plus the unknown. Let's find first 12 and 20 together. 12 plus 20, perfect, 22. So the perimeter is already 48 equals 22 plus the unknown that's represented as L. So what the number, if I add it to 22, it will be 48. Excellent, I have the missing number by subtracting 8 minus 2, 6, 4 minus 2. No, sorry, here is not the, here is 32, yes. Here is a 12 and 2. Yes, a 12 and 20, yes, 4 minus 3, it will be 1. So again, here is 12 plus 20, it will be 32. 48 equals 32 plus L, so 48 minus 32, it will be 16. Let's see for this pentagon. Here the pentagon is finding the total equal the perimeter, and the perimeter is already here. So I can say the perimeter is 48 equals by adding all the sides. Let's add the sides together. Here is a 12 plus a 12. Remember the 12 and 12. And the double of 12 is a 24. So 24 and 13. Let's find it here. Plus 13. Yes, 4 and 3, 7. 2 and 1, 3. So 48 equals 37 plus L, the unknown, plus L, the unknown. We have to find L by finding the missing number. Yes, extend, you have to subtract. You have to subtract the greater number, 48. Here is the total, 48 minus the addend, here is 37. 8 minus 7, perfect, is 1. And 4 minus 3, excellent, is 1. So here is 11 inches is the missing number, the missing size, sorry. Let's go down. Okay, find the area and the perimeter of each figure. Here is we have a grid paper. So in the grid paper for the perimeter, I have to find the length by counting the squares outside. So let's start. Here is from the starting point. You have to remember to not counting inside, only outside. Perfect. So here is 1, 2, 3. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 1, 2, 3. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is 1, 2, 3, 4 as there. It is 1, 2, 3 also. And it is 1 as 5 because they are opposite and they are the same. Now for the perimeter, I have to find the total by adding all of these. So let's add together. Here is we have a friendly number. Double of 5, perfect, 10. Double of 3, 6. 10 and 6, 16, perfect. Double of 4, yes, 8. 16 and 8, yes, it's harder for you. Let's write it here. So here is 16 plus 8. We still have 3. And we still have 9. Yes, let's add them together. Here is 6 and 8. Yes, excellent. It's 14. 14 and 3, 17. 17 and 9. Yes, yes, excellent. Is 26. It is 2 plus 1. It will be 3. So here the perimeter is 36 units. Now to find the area is different, as I told you, is to count the squares inside. So instead of counting all of these, let's find it by partition the composite shape into two areas. Here is A and here is B. As you remember, the area of rectangle is, yes, multiplying length times W. Here is 3 times 5, perfect, is 15. And here is 4 multiplied by 9, amazing, is 36. So the area is by adding 15 and 36 together. Let's write it here. 15 plus 36. 5 and 6, 11. Put your 10 up high. Yes, it is 2 and 3. The answer is 5. So the answer for the area is 51. Yes. Square unit. Let's go to the next shape. First, we have to find the length. Let's count the squares. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is 1, 2. Here is 1. Or you can make a starting point as you want. Let's make it easier by counting, but the shape is small. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So the perimeter here is 18. The area, yes, it's counting the squares inside. Or if I want to divide this shape into two areas, here we have 2 and 5, and here we have 2 and 2. Let's find by multiplying. Yes, 5 times 2, the first area is 10. 2 multiply 2, the second area is 4. So 10 plus 4, yes, the answer is 14. Perfect. Let's go down to the next. Here is find the area and the perimeter for each figure. As you remember, for this rectangle, double L plus double W. So with a double of 5, perfect, it's 10. With a double of 10, 20. So 5 plus 20, sorry, 10 plus 20, excellent, 30. The area is just multiplying 5 times 10. Excellent, it's 50 square centimeter. Here the perimeter is finding what? The length. Let's find and identify all the lengths are here. Here is 3, here is 10, here is 7, here is 7, here is 4, and here is 3. Yes, all of the length are here. So it's about counting and adding all together. So it's 3 plus 10 plus 7 plus 7 plus 4 plus 3. So when I'm adding, I will just put x. Here is I add 3 and 3. The answer will be, yes, perfect, 6. 7 and 7, double of 7, amazing, it's 14. Yes, and here is 4 and 10 is 14 also. So let's add now. 6 and 4 is 10. 10 and 4 is 14. And here is we have 3. So the perimeter here is 34. Now we want to find the area. Yeah, the area for the composite shape, I have to make what? Excellent, I have to make two shapes equal to find. So let's make this one like this. Yes, or you make it like this as you want. So here is 7, so for sure the opposite will be 7, because from this point to this point is 7, and from this point to this point is 10. So here I have a square. The perimeter for the square is 7 multiply 7. And here is I have another square, 3 and 3. So the first area for A, 7 multiplied by 7, yes, equals 49. And for the next 3 multiplied by 3, it will be 9. The total area is adding 9 plus 49. So let's add it here. 9 plus 9, perfect, 18. And we put 1 up. 4 plus 1, 5. So 58 square centimeter. Okay, for the first problem solving here, Madison is painting the picture. She has two canvases she can use. The first has a height of 8 inches and the width of 9 inches. The second has a height of 7 inches and the width of 10 inches, which has a greater area. Show your work. So here I have two shapes, two rectangles. First of all, let's draw them. The first one, okay. Okay. So the first one is 8 with 9. Here is 8 and here is 9. Okay, I'm trying to draw it perfect. Yes, it's about like this. Okay. Oopsie. Okay, I'll draw it again. Here is 8 and here is 9. Okay. The other one is 7 with 10. Here is 7 and here is 10. Yes. So here is 7, here is 10, here is 8, and here is 9. Okay, we want to find the greater area. So you remember the area is multiplying, perfect. So 7 times 10, excellent, equals 70. What about the unit? Inches, so 70 square inch. Here is 8 times 9. Yes, perfect. It's 72 square inch. Yes, which has a greater area. Excellent, this one. So that's it. I'm just drawing, put my length and width, multiplying by applying the formula A equals L times W. Then I compare between the results. Here is I have 70 and here is 72. Number 2, Kevin is tiling. You remember the meaning of, yes, when I'm tiling a flat surface, that means I put it into squares, tiling a bathroom with an area of 48. So I have already the area 48 square unit. The length of the bathroom is 8. What is the width of the bathroom? Show your work. So you remember the formula for the area? Yes, A equals L times W. So here is already we have 8. So we replace the information. We have 48. This is the total, the area, and the length is about 8. We want to find the width. So what a number, if I multiply it with 8, it will be 48. Excellent. It's about dividing 48 divided by 8. The answer would be, yeah, 6. So the width equals 6 units. Yes. Okay, the next page. Here is answer the question using the figure on the right. Here is we have the figure 1, 2, 3, and 4. Area of a figure 1. You have to, yes, you want to count all the squares, or you have to find the length. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here is 2. Here is if I come, yes, if I divided this one will be 2, and this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the area here is 5 multiplied 2 is 10. 5 multiplied 2 is 10. 10 plus 10, perfect, 20. What about the perimeter? Yes, the perimeter is starting point and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. For number 2, yes, we can partition into 2 areas, or you can count the squares as you want. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is 2. Here is 3. Multiply it by 2. So let's find 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 8 and 6. Yes, perfect. 14. If I want to find the perimeter, make a starting point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. For 3, easy because it's a regular shape. It's a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the area for the square, 4 multiply 4. Excellent. What it will be? Perfect. 16. The perimeter is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. That means 4 multiply 4, also 16. So here we have equal area with perimeter. So for number 4, yes, we have to find it's about area. 2 multiply 1. The answer is 2. And the perimeter starting point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So write the number of the figures in order from the least area to the greatest. Where is the least area? Yes, figure 4 is 2. Then figure 2 is 14. Then figure 3, 16. Finally, 1. So let's write the numbers. So here is 4 is the least. After 4, let's change the color to help you. So orange for area. Here is first one. We have 4, and this one, here is 2, and here is 1. So after 4, we have perfect number 2. After number 2, we have number 3, and then we have number 1 is the greatest. Write the number of the figures in order from least perimeter to the greatest. So let's change the color. Let's make it, for example, blue. Here is the perimeter. Here is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So write the number from the least. Where is the least? We have 22, 18, 16, 6. Perfect. 6 is the least, so we have number 4, the fourth figure. After 6, we have 22, 18, 16. Yes, figure number 3. Okay. And then figure number 2. And finally, the figure number 1 is the greatest. Yes. B, draw each figure and find the perimeter of the area. Number 1, draw a rectangle with an area of 15 square units. What is its perimeter? So you have to know that the area is L times W. So we need two numbers. If I multiply it together, the answer will be 15. Yes, multiples of 15, perfect, 5 and 3. So let's make a starting point, 1, and draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down 1, 2, 3. Then I complete the figure for the opposite side, and here is the opposite side. So what the perimeter? Here is 5, here is 3. Yes, remember, double of 5 plus double of 3. What is double of 5? 10 plus 6. Yes, the answer will be 16 units. Next. Now, number 2, draw a rectangle with a perimeter of 6 square. So it's not an area, 6 squares. So we have to find the total number of sides will be 6. Yes, if I want to be the first one 3, 3, and the opposite for sure. No, we can't put 3. Maybe 2 and 2 will be 4. Yes. So if I make here is 2. Okay? And here is 1. And here is 2. Here is 1. I want to check my answer. I have to count all the length for the perimeter around. They should be 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right. What's the area? Perfect. It's 2 multiply 1. The answer is 2 square unit. So that's it for the area and the perimeter. In the next lesson, we will start solving the next chapter. So here is, as you see, that we cover all of these. You have to remember that the area is multiplying, the perimeter is adding, area is multiplying, and the perimeter is what? Adding. Perfect. So we will stop here in this page and we continue with the second session. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.